So good morning, everybody. Investors, traders, angel investors. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Anyways, uh, so Jason, from Jason Spotterford, Wolf of Weed Street, basically clickbait a bunch of people into his video yesterday, claim he has a big announcement, major announcement, and he was just trying to get people to come to his trading group. But he did say that MJ is back, and I don't disagree with him. I do think MJ could be back for the short term, for the next month or so. That could be a big possibility. Because why? Because if we look at the HMMJ, the MACD has curved. What does that mean? That means that MJ stocks are probably heading higher, because the HMMJ is an indicator that tells you that it's a bullish momentum right now in the MJ market. So I think MJs are heading higher. Could be wrong, but I think so. Maybe he has some other information that you have to join his webinar to figure out, because he's going to host the webinar, and he was, so, he may have something. I don't know. He could also be just trying to get people to come to his group so he can make money. So that's probably what it is. But because he was really, really, really strong with the marketing on his group. I actually watched the whole thing just to see if he had any other information that was useful. Kind of felt like I wasted my time. Oh well, whatever. That's all I really have is time. So Valens Group had its earnings, and I sold off my stock right in the morning because I think the stock's heading down lower. I could be wrong. I didn't like the earnings at all, so I sold out of my stock. So why did I didn't like the earnings? First of all, the revenue dropped like 70%, and then their gross margin dropped 20%. And they were profitable. They were EBITDA profitable, but revenues dropped, gross margin has dropped. And the crazy thing is their biomass extract actually increased. So what is happening right now in their business is price compression. Big time. Because they extracted 30,000 kilogram of biomass, but yet their revenue dropped and their gross profit dropped. Not a good sign at all, in my opinion. So that's why I sold off. You guys can hold on and hope people pump your stock. I don't know. At the end of the day, but that's also a warning sign for like companies like Afria on earnings report. I'll be honest with you. I mean, it looks bullish, but I still be really careful. So we'll see what happens. But I don't know. Afria does look bullish today. I mean, it does look bullish. The chart looks bullish. So we'll see if that can continue. But I don't know. Right now, I don't trust Wolf. Like, I don't trust him. That's just me. I just remember his T-God and all that. I mean, like I said, the charts look bullish. I definitely, be careful about investing, though. I wouldn't just go and throw all your money in and be like, oh, Wolf said buy, buy, buy. No, don't do that. Diversify and be patient. Wait for like really red days, buy a little bit, and if he keeps dipping, buy a little bit more, and then hope that he's right, and hope that MJ market is going to be pushing upwards. At least that's my opinion. None of this is financial advice, by the way. Aurora is probably more attractive than Afria right now, simply because it's dropped more. Yeah, I might buy some Aurora, gamble that it could go to the upside in the short term. If Afria keeps going up, I think it'll push Aurora up. That's my opinion. Kron is down quite a bit. Kron could be an attractive bounce to play opportunity right here, but it'll be a little too late by the time I release the video. Canopy, Canopy is down this morning, only 1.9%, not big enough to buy a bounce play. Tilray is down 1.36%. Tesla is it crashed and then it bounced. Solo, same thing, crashed and bounced back a little bit. I don't know. I'm just gonna hold on this long term, and if it drops, because like I know that when news gets released on Solo, when they finally release some kind of delivery and full production news, I think the stock is gonna bounce real hard to the upside. But that's just my opinion. It could be the end of August, it could be the end of July, it could be the end of September. I don't know when Solo will have that announcement, but eventually they will, and the stock will move to the upside in a big way. Neo crashed hard today. Tried to buy some call options on it, but I failed and it bounced. I knew that, I knew when it crashed early in the morning, I knew that the stock would bounce. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Will it continue to move to the upside? I don't know. I don't know at the end of the day. We'll see what happens. Workhorse today is down 56 cents. Not too much to say about that. I think Workhorse is a little overvalued in my opinion, but just because I think it doesn't mean it is. Blink is down 18 cents this morning. Arcomotive is down 25 cents this morning. Shell Taurus Acquisition Corp down 1.76%. Spartan Energy SPAC dropped and then bounced. Looks like there's people who are interested in this company. That's why it's bouncing. AMD this morning. AMD is down $1.02. I've been doing a lot of research on AMD lately, and I think AMD's new GPU that they're gonna launch, I think it's going to be extremely competitive with Nvidia's new gen. Apparently, so this is according to my research, the Xbox and PlayStation is about the same power as Nvidia's current GPU, which is the 2080. They're about the same power as the 2080. And AMD's new GPU is apparently 50%, at least 50% faster than the 2080 Ti high-end model compared to the 2080 Ti. So AMD could be, AMD could take the crown from Nvidia this fall if they launch at the same time. That would be extremely exciting, and the stock could go crazy to the upside. So yeah. Twitter is down 87 cents. Not too much to say about that. Netflix is having earnings after the report. It feels like Netflix stock is already, I don't know, actually. I can't call this because Tesla is so overvalued that it makes Twitter seems undervalued. Carnival today down $1.30. I don't know what it's gonna do, but right now it looks like it's bouncing. It probably bounced to around $17 and then maybe crash afterwards. I have no idea, just speculation. Maybe it'll just keep crashing. Space has a new CEO, and this is why the stock is up. They announced a new CEO. They're gonna poach the Disney International Head Park as the next space CEO. I don't know what's going on with the current CEO, but I guess something's happening and they are getting a new CEO, and people are excited about the Disney CEO, like, oh, Disney CEO, bye. So retail investors are gonna be, I think space is heading higher. Could be wrong, Just speculation on my part. We'll see. We'll see. Janus Brands down 5 cents today. The market is slightly red. I think it'll probably bounce back. Well, could be wrong. We'll see what happens. Goldman Sachs had earnings last night, and it was pretty good. Jim Cramer was like praising it. So stocks heading higher. Bank of America is having one today after the market closes. Probably gonna, I don't know if it's gonna be profitable. Oh no, they've already announced earnings. So yeah, never mind. Trading lower after earnings. My bad. So they already announced earnings in the morning, and stock is down a little bit. Probably will bounce back. This is my opinion. JP Morgan is down 70 cents this morning. They are, I don't know if they already had earnings, but they should have earnings coming up here very soon. Beyond Meat. Ooh, that could be a good, this one could be a good play. And, I like this company. Just saying. And then, let's look at some of the multi-state operators. Kira, down 8 cents today. True, down 62 cents today. Cresco, neutral today. Wow, Cresco would have been a good winner. 31% in a short amount of time. Harv, up 4 cents today. Liberal Health Science, trading sideways today. Anthus probably still halted. Man, neutral. Slang, down a penny. Vero Health stock up 2 cents, but pulling back a little bit. Oh, it was up a little more, but it was starting to pull back. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.